We bought a hoarder house.
And this is the aftermath.
We need to burn it.
So,
I'm talking about the whole house.
I know. Oh my God, that's probably red shit. I got shit in my eye. My eye feel like it's about to swell.
This mask right here is not gonna work.
I'm not gonna do it. Hey, shout out to Meg. She got us these 7093s. So this is actually a respirator. It's gonna be way better than this mask right here. It's gonna seal our mouth way better, and it's gonna get out all them damn toxins so we ain't gotta breathe in. Got these little mini filters. Boom, twist on like so. Grab the other filter. Got these little notches. And all you do is just line them up and twist. I feel like she got in my eye.
Let me blow it.
She blew the size of my cheek. We done bought a house of rats.
That rat, it just took the bag and ran.
You lying.
But no, because the bag was right there and it started moving. You think if we turn it up and pull it out, there it goes.
Hate to see me keep your eyes closed. Who with me? Cause we going for the top glow. Who with me?
I'm done. What did we buy? What did we buy?
There's different levels of nastiness in here. This is crazy how somebody really can live like this.
Yeah.
Some of these walls like scratched up, like over there by the door, look like a dog or something been chewing on something. This seemed like a house where it'd just be sitting and animals living here. They just walking past them, all types of stuff.
All gas, let's skate. Can't find no break. If you ain't about your paper, we can't relate.
Do you think that they may have moved and then came back?
No. I ain't gonna lie, this room right here, decent size, but these two rooms over here, small as hell.
Can't let off the gas, they say I'm moving too fast. We building legacy and won't be last. I make them wave the flag. I see them coming and I do the dash, but I just can't help my flow. Switch it up, then go get some more.
Male woman said that at one point they had like big rock wallers living here.
And then the rats killed them. The smell killed them.
Hate to see me keep your eyes closed. Cause we going for the top glow.
It turns out that over there is the nastiest bathroom ever. Stay tuned.
Shout out to my name guy. She actually been in here buzzing her. And this is a nasty ass house. And usually she'd be like, oh, no, I ain't about to do it. Then kicked in the gear shit and turned on her motivation music.
Yeah, that's because either way it goes, it ain't no...
Don't do it.
I ain't about to. I was trying to catch my breath one. But ain't no turning back now. So it's like, we gonna have to do this regardless of if anybody helps us or not. It's like, we gotta do this because this is gonna be a major part of our goal.
We got a charm wheel right here about to get ready to set some rat traps. I'm emptying out these bombs here so we can set these bad babies off, close these windows up. And we gonna bomb, then we gotta come clean, bomb again, tear this crap down, bomb again. It's gonna be a fun project after these rats gone.
What moving crew? This was a part of. You supposed to clean the refrigerator out.
Yeah.
Then move it.
Oh, moving it out and then gonna leave it out here like this. Like, come on now. You got whole crab meat out here. You gonna get animals having a feast.
Yes.
I don't know what you're doing tomorrow. I'm trying to barbecue.
Work. Like we still got another house. We gotta worry about.
Yeah, we need to get back on track. We got a grill for the summer. We got a dryer for the summer. And it's nice.
This is
They-
a
that
good
mother-
house
they-
to live in, though.
Once it's ready.
This boy nice though.
That's not far.
So you want me to go just run and grab some bags?
Yeah.
We need a dump truck.
All gas, let's skate. Can't find no break. If you ain't about your paper, we can't relate. Can't let off the gas, they say I'm moving too fast. We building legacy and won't be last. I make them wave the flag. I see them coming and I do the dash.